Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this super cute little flower pendant, perfect for decorating bags, keys, or even as a lovely handmade gift. It's quick, easy, and so much fun to make. All you need is 3mm yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook, and a little creativity. If you love simple and creative crochet projects, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing ideas. Let's get started. Sparkles. For round 1, start by making a magic ring. Into the ring, crochet 6 single crochet stitches, 6 SC. Don't worry if your stitches feel tight at first. Just relax your hands and enjoy the process. Great job so far. Let's move to round 2. For round 2, we're going to create the flower loops. Repeat this 6 times. Chain 19, slip stitch back to the base, then slip stitch again to move to the next space. Keep your loops even and neat. It might feel repetitive, but you're building the pretty petals. You're doing great, keep going. For round 3, let's add stability using wire. Place the wire along the back of the petals, then repeat this 6 times. 9 single crochet, 3 single crochet in the same stitch to form the curve, 9 single crochet. Tip: take it slow here, adjusting the wire as you crochet to keep it in place. You're almost done with the flower base. Bouquet. Now let's make the front flower center in yellow. Start with a magic ring, make 6 EC in the ring. For round 2, make 6 increases, 2 single crochet in each stitch to get 12 stitches. Nice work. Set this piece aside. We'll make another one for the back. Repeat the same steps for the back center in green. For the leaf, start by chaining 18. Take a deep breath and let's move to row 2. Now work these stitches along the chain. Slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch. Then, on the other side, repeat single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet. Finish with slost at the tip of the leaf. Tip, make sure both sides look balanced. Well done, you've got a beautiful leaf. For the heart, start with a magic ring. Chain 3, 5 treble crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, 5 treble crochet, chain 3, slip stitch to close. Great job. This little heart adds such a sweet touch to your pendant. Finally, create a long string by chaining 110 to 120 chains. This will let you hang your pendant anywhere you like. Tip: adjust the length based on your preference. You did amazing. And that's it. You've just completed your little flower pendant. Isn't it adorable? You can use it as a bag charm, a keychain, or a thoughtful gift for someone special. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more cute and creative projects. Thank you for crocheting with me today. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!